Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CyberGhost. I'll show you the process on PC, but the steps are essentially the same on Mac. The installation process is also very simple on Android and iOS, and I'll explain how to do it as well. So, here is how to install CyberGhost on your device in just 3 steps. Step number 1, sign up for CyberGhost. First, you need to sign up for CyberGhost. I recommend using our link vpn-club.com/cg to get a special offer, 87% off plus 2 extra months free. You can choose between 3 plans, the 1-month plan at $12.99 per month, the 6-month plan at $6.99 per month, and the 2-year plan at just $1.75 per month. Just to confirm, you'll get access to the same product regardless of the plan you choose. If you only need a VPN for a short period of time, the 1-month plan may be enough. Otherwise, I recommend the 2-year plan since it offers the best value. Once you've selected a plan, click on Continue to check out. Then enter your email address, choose a payment method, and complete your sign up. Step 2, download and install the app. Once you've signed up, you will receive a confirmation email from CyberGhost and you will be able to log in to the CyberGhost member dashboard. You can download the app from the Download Hub. CyberGhost is available on many operating systems. I click here. Once the installation file has been downloaded, open it to start installing CyberGhost. Step number 3, authenticate. Once the app is installed, CyberGhost will ask you to activate it using your credentials to confirm that you have a valid subscription. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to CyberGhost. That's it, you now know how to install CyberGhost and you can start using the app. Let's test it out. As you can see here, my current IP address shows that I'm located in France. I select a location, the UK for example. Then I click here, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds. And that's it, I'm now connected to the VPN server. I refresh the page. And as you can see, my IP address has been replaced with a British IP address. So if I visit a website or use an app, it will think I'm located in the UK because I now have a British IP address. I showed you how to install CyberGhost on a Windows computer, but the process is exactly the same on macOS. After signing up, you can download the app from the App Store by clicking the download link in the CyberGhost member dashboard. The installation only takes a few moments. Once the app is installed, simply activate it and start using it. If you're using Android or iOS, the process is very similar. If you're on Android, go to the Play Store, search for CyberGhost, then tap Install to start the installation. Once the app is installed, log in using your credentials and you'll be able to use the app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're on iOS, go to the App Store, search for CyberGhost, then tap Get to install it. Once installed, log in and you'll be able to use the app on your iPhone or iPad. That's it, it's really that simple. Now, you might be wondering why choose CyberGhost instead of another VPN. Simply put, CyberGhost is currently one of the best VPNs available on the market. It has over 11,000 servers across 100 countries, giving you a huge number of locations to choose from. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. There are no speed limits, no bandwidth limits, a strict no-logs policy, military-grade encryption, and plenty of additional features. It's very effective for bypassing geo-blocks, browsing and downloading privately, and improving your online security, among other things. CyberGhost also offers a 45-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee. This is more than most other VPN providers. That means you can sign up, try the service for several weeks with no restrictions, and request a refund if you decide it's not for you. To get a refund, simply contact their customer support and ask for your money back. That's it. The only condition is that you make the request within 45 days of signing up, otherwise it will be too late. Just a reminder, with our link, you'll get 87% off plus 2 free months, along with a 45-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk for you. That's all for today. You now know how to install CyberGhost. As you've seen, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.